Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's episode, I will show you how to sign in to iCloud. Let's start. So it's pretty simple, guys. To most, when you go to iCloud.com, you just need to put your Apple ID and then just hit on this one, and then you'll be able to go through. But I just need to give few reminders when you're going to before actually signing in, because you can also do this using your iPhone. Just use Safari or whatever browser of your choice. Just type in iCloud.com and just log in your Apple ID, then your password, and you'll be able to access it from there. For those who are still new to iCloud, so if you just become an Apple user yourself, iCloud is, I think, one of the best features that we have to use as backup, because it's secure all your photos, files, passwords, notes, like pretty much everything. You could also go to apple.support.com, and you could see here what iCloud can do. iCloud actually provides also a free storage of 5 GB, and if you want to upgrade your storage, you could just pay for a minimal fee if you want to do that. Now let's go ahead and sign in. So I already have stored my username as well as my password, so it's safe for me to just show this to you for this tutorial. Once I'm signed in, so that's it. But sometimes, guys, if, let's say, for example, you have logged into a device that's not secured, or it's not identified yet, or recognized rather, that it's synced or it's trusted by Apple ID, you would be asked to log in an Apple ID verification code. So when you get this message, and then you would be able to get this one from your iPhone. So you just need to put these numbers here for you to continue with your logging in with iCloud. So that's just like one reminder from there that this would happen. Say if your device, so whatever, like it's your laptop, iPad, or whatever, if it's not recognized by Apple ID or what you've used, then you would be able to receive this one. Then from there, just continue using your iCloud.com once you are able to log in successfully. So if you want to learn more about iCloud, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.